Hey Shopify owners, do you know how you can actually get an email of your new customers on your store and also contact details and add it into your CRM or else like for it, create a new row in Google Sheet? Do you know how to do that? I'll be showing you in this tutorial so how you can actually get an email of your new customers on your Shopify store and store create a new row on Google Sheets and adding it to a Mautic CRM. You can also use any other CRMs like HubSpot or any other CRMs basically instead of Mautic. So let us get started how to do that using KonnectzIT. First, you have to log into the app called KonnectzIT, which is a workflow automation tool. So before you create any of your workflows, you have to authorize your apps. So you don't need to authorize Shopify apps as it is an webhook enabled app, but you have to authorize the other apps like Mautic CRM and also Google Sheet. I will show you how to authorize Google Sheet inside KonnectzIT. Just search for the app, click on the app and click on add account. This will redirect you to Google Sheet page and you have to give permission for KonnectzIT to access your account by choosing your account in Google Sheet. So I already authorized that. So this is how you have to authorize Google Sheet. And now let us search for Mautic app. So when you click on Mautic app and add account, so it will ask you for your username. So just type in your username and then the credentials you use for Mautic and then the base URL. So basically you just need to copy the URL of your Mautic account and then come to KonnectzIT and type the base URL. Just you have to omit this all the other details which is after .net. So and click on yes and continue. So this will going to authorize Mautic app inside KonnectzIT. So once you authorize your apps, so now it is time for you to create an workflow. I'll show you how to do that. So just click on create connect and then name your connect first. So now we have to search for Shopify app. Just search for Shopify, drag and drop Shopify app and select your trigger. So in this case I'll be selecting it as new customers. So whenever there is a new customer I will be selecting that as my trigger. So KonnectzIT support all these triggers. So just select as new customer and copy the webhook URL and based on the instructions provided here, so you have to place your webhook URL. So just you need to go to settings and then to the notification tab inside your Shopify cart. So now let's do that. Go to Shopify cart and then click on settings and then click on notifications on left hand side and then scroll down to receive like create webhook. So just click on create webhook and select the event type as customer creation. That means you have to send a trigger whenever there is a new customer. So just select the trigger as customer creation, place the webhook URL which you copied from KonnectzIT and then choose the API version. Better to choose the stable version of your API and format. So just keep it as JSON and click on save. That's it, nothing else you need to do. So once you did that, so what you have to do is before sending notification, so you just need to click on capture webhook response inside KonnectzIT. So this will going to enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from Shopify placed your webhook URL there. So now let's go to Shopify and then just click on send test notification. This will going to send a test notification for the webhook URL. So let's do that and notification has been sent and the same will be captured inside KonnectzIT. Yes, you can see that. So we will be having a test email ID of a customer with the first name, last name and all other details. So you can use the same thing to create a new row inside your sheets. Just drag and drop the app and select your account and choose the action as create new row. Basically you can update a row, or you can even do a lookup, or you can copy, create a spreadsheet, and you can perform all this action using KonnectzIT. So in this use case I'm just creating a new row for all my new customers and then selecting my sheet. So which sheet I will be placing my new customer for. So when I select my sheet, so you can see that, so this is my Google Sheet, and whatever the first row which is present, so it will be available over here inside KonnectzIT. So you can see all those rows, first name, last name, email, shop and phone number is available. So now just like a old school connect between the nodes, that's it. Match email field to the email field, first name field to the first name, last name to the last name. So if you have any kind of shop details, so you can actually do that like just by connecting here, and even the phone number. So you can just go ahead and connect it inside KonnectzIT. So now I will go ahead and hit on test and review. So basically when we hit on test and review, this particular test details will be available over here. So let us go ahead and hit on test and review. So a new row test data will be created inside my Google Sheet. So you can see that. So now we have connected Shopify new customers, that is we are getting Shopify email from KonnectzIT to Google Sheet. So now our workflow is like we have to create an record inside Mautic. So basically what I am doing here is so creating or updating a record inside Mautic. So you can use any other CRM instead of Mautic. So I'm just showing you guys how to connect Mautic. So now again we have to repeat the same step. Select your account, select the trigger as create or update contact. Basically I'm just creating a new contact or updating a contact. So just select that and you have to repeat the same step. So basically connecting from first name to the first name field, last name to the last name field, and email to the email. And you can also connect all these phone titles or address, so for all your references, other references, so you can do that. So now I am going to go ahead and hit on test and review. So before that, this is my Mautic store. So I have only one contact detail, so you can see by name Ram, and now I am going to create by hitting test and review. So this will going to create a name called Bob Biller inside Mautic CRM. So that's it. So this is how I can go ahead and create a new row on Google Sheet and also a contact details on Mautic. So just by using my Shopify new customers order using KonnectzIT. So hope you guys like this. So let us go ahead and test this. Let us publish this connect now. So Connects is published successfully. So now let us go ahead and test this, like whatever we have done. So before that, I will just go ahead and delete the record inside my Mautic, because I'm making sure that so the order will be created. So you can see right now I just have only one contact. So now I will go ahead to Shopify and do the send test notification. Basically this is how, like when customer created an order, a new customer. So I'm gonna do that. So send test notification. So just when I did that, so basically automatically a new row will be created. You can see that though I already have one, so a new row is created for a new customer. So this will going to trigger a new customer only for new customers, so you don't need to worry from Shopify. So if they are an already existing customer, so the trigger will not gonna trigger. So now let us go to this thing Mautic and do a refresh, and there will be an user by Bob Biller will be added successfully. So this is how you can capture Shopify new customers email via KonnectzIT and adding it to your new Google Sheet and Google Sheet row, and also create a record inside your CRM. Hope you guys like this integration. If you have any questions on this particular integration or anything related to Shopify integration, do let us know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.